Hi, my name is Melanie Rose and welcome to my website. My website is about cooking and baking because that's what I love to do. So this is the home page, and as you can see, it has a picture of my grandma's rolls to start out with. And if you click on the rolls or the fig caption, it will get you to the recipe for the rolls. If you go to recipes, it has my grandma's rolls, and the same thing, if you click on it, it will take you there. If you go to my Aunt Pauline's chocolate cake, you can click on that the same way and it'll get you to the recipe. And the same with the chili. The products page shows the products that I use the most in my kitchen, and it has a little paragraph about why those are my favorite and my go-to appliances and what I use them for. My contact page is just a regular form, and when you type your information in, it turns pink, and when you type all the information in and hit send, it takes you to a thank you for contacting us, we'll get back to you page. The about page has a picture of my grandma and grandpa on their wedding day, and it tells about me and who I am and why I love to bake. The bottom navigation has a link back to the home page. It has a link to the practice website that we worked on for the first half of the semester, and it has my style guide that shows all of the things that I used to design the website. The color palette, I chose these colors because they're kind of colors that you find in cakes and cookies and when you do baking things. It also shows the fonts that I chose and what my navigation would look like. I chose to keep the style simple. I didn't want the design to be too over the top. I wanted it to be where it was clean and easy to navigate. I chose the background picture because it looks vintage, and I felt like that kind of went with my family's recipes. The thing that I learned the most this semester was how to build a cohesive website. How to make a website that looked good throughout and was designed where it looked like everything belonged together. The hardest thing for me building this website was making all of the boxes the same. Like, these are the same height and width. The products page was the hardest, trying to make everything line up, getting the padding just right and the margins just right and the height and everything, because some of the boxes have borders, and so you have to adjust for that when you're doing the other boxes. So this is my website. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.